What's up, guys? Your boy Catloco, and we back in the yard. I'm in the truck section. I got what I needed over there by the GM cars. I'll still go back over there and check it out though. I ain't got no bags on me today. But check out this truck, man. This Ford got jacked the hell up. Ain't no way they survived. They got badly hurt. I mean, that shit crazy. We in the truck section. I see a new one out here. It's 01 Tahoe. I checked it out. This 862 heads. Got your 411. 411 PCM. I'm guessing 4060 with 862 5.3. This is a nice truck. Only damages is you got side swipes. So insurance can probably rid it off. So this might be a runner. It looks pretty original. I would take this trans, but I don't know what's going down here with all this oil. I can't tell what they's working on. Hope it's not transmission. Got the grill on the bottom. 2500 truck. But yeah, I got kind of excited. A few rows down, they done cleared it out. So we got at least 8 more coming in. Minimum 8. I've never seen this truck section empty. It looks like they're finally pulling some of these trucks, because you can fit 4 there and you can fit 4 on the other side. But yeah, today I'm just looking around. I already pulled what I need to, so I'm just seeing what else is out there. So I'm checking out this 07 G6. This is a V6, and then I'm looking at the back seats. And I'm thinking I may have to use something like this with the clips already as like a frame to make it work in my Caprice. Once I put it in there, I'm gonna see if I need those clips, because like on the other one, these clips are like built into the floor. It looks like it's only like a few bolts, and then these things here. I may need that frame right there for the bottom seat, but I don't know. We'll work it out. I just thought that was interesting that there's an actual frame on the 4-door compared to the 2-door. But we'll check it out. Yo, we back in the car. The other good thing about the junkyard, man. One yard got popcorn. The other yard got burritos and tacos, got a food truck. So you know what time it is, it's lunchtime, yo. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. Go ahead and like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.